Hello and welcome. I am Chef Sanjeev Kapoor. I am in Mumbai. You are in United States of America. We may be separated by distance, but we are united by food. That's the beauty of this life, that we can be connected, yet we can maintain social distance, not between countries, but this is the time to maintain social distance between each other. These are difficult times, but difficult times does not mean that we need to be sad. We can find our own ways to find happiness, joy, and that's exactly what I'm going to do here. I'm going to share a recipe which is something that you would love, a recipe which has taken Indian food to the world, a recipe which the world loves, biryani. But biryani, it's no simple biryani. It is a biryani with a Kolhapuri touch. I'll tell you more about Kolhapur, and also it has goodness of yogurt, dahi, desi dahi. Desi hai, to sab sahi hai. So to begin, what I'm going to do is, I have a NutriPot here, which I'm going to make biryani in. Like you have Instapot with you, so you can use that or use NutriPot. And while this is getting heated, I'm going to take vegetables that I'm going to use for this vegetable biryani Kolhapuri style. Flour, so cauliflower that has been cut into small pieces, flowers when cut in small pieces, florets it's called. I'm going to take all the vegetables, cut vegetables in this bowl, beans, cut carrots, green peas and potatoes. And now I'm going to marinate all these vegetables in desi dahi. Here it is, desi dahi. Nice, creamy, thick, home style, free from artificial preservatives. To this, let's add some salt to taste, and some Kolhapuri masala. Now, Kolhapuri masala obviously comes from Kolhapur. It's a proprietary spice mix. So what does it essentially have? It has red chili and it has garlic. At times they also add some peanuts to it. Or if you don't have it, red chili powder and maybe some more garlic. That's the closest that you can do. Wow, look at that. Nice. Let's mix all these things. So salt, Kolhapuri masala and vegetables in dahi, desi dahi, looking good. I'm making this recipe in Mumbai for you in United States so that you can make this recipe in your kitchen. I'm sure you want to try out new things, you want all the goodness, because in these kind of times, cooking can be fun. You have to make it fun, involve the whole family, like what I have done here. The whole family is there, someone on camera, someone on phone camera, someone on sound, and I'm cooking, and in between shots we run and find other ingredients, make sure lighting is perfect, make sure the sound is right. So it's fun. People saying that, oh, it's lockdown period, you must be getting bored. Actually no, I've been more busy. So this is looking good now. Let's keep these vegetables for about half an hour in this marinade, and we'll start cooking the other stuff, which means I've taken this NutriPot or Instapot, whatever you have, and let's start cooking with the ghee. Oh, ghee is something that I love, and actually there are people who say that, oh no, ghee is not good for you, but I think you should start having ghee. Homemade ghee is very good. So this is homemade desi ghee. Oil is nice and hot. Bay leaf into this. Cardamom, few green cardamom and maybe one black cardamom. Cinnamon, few black peppercorns. Let me mix this. I can smell all these nice aromatic spices, and in goes sliced onion. Time to add ginger garlic paste. And chopped tomatoes. You can add tomato puree also, because I know that you may not get all the ingredients. So I've taken few vegetables here that are getting marinated with the Kolhapuri spice mix and yogurt, desi dahi. I have left it while I'm cooking this masala with the onion and tomatoes and whole garam masala. Time to add some dry spices, haldi, turmeric powder. Without turmeric, Indian food does not look Indian. Turmeric is a very good anti-inflammatory spice. It is antiseptic. It is used for beauty treatments also. So to make this biryani beautiful, to make this biryani wholesome, healthy, tasty, turmeric and red chili powder. Don't add too much. Let's mix all this. It's smelling so nice. Color is nice, flavor is very good. So while this is getting cooked, let me tell you about rice. I have taken long grain basmati rice. For biryani, it's best made with long grain basmati rice. But if you don't have it, use whatever you have, because in these conditions, you cannot be very choosy, right? This masala is done. Let's see this. Yep, this is done. And I'm going to add my marinated vegetables in dahi. Let's do a recap. Cauliflower, beans, carrots, peas and potatoes. You can replace these vegetables with what you have. Mushrooms also go really well. Depends on what you have with you. Make your biryani with those vegetables. Typically, whenever we make biryani, we make that in different layers. But in times like these, you want to make more of a pulao than biryani, and because we are making this in NutriPot or Instapot, it is easier to put everything together, let it cook, forget about it and open when you want to eat this, right? Vegetables have cooked for about 5 to 7 minutes. Time to add water. You can add hot water also, but this will get hot. Okay, and how much water to add? Since we are making this in a kind of an electric pressure cooker, Instapot, NutriPot, so the water quantity, normally in rice you would put about twice the quantity of rice would be water. So 2 parts water, 1 part rice. But in this case, add little less water. If you're using 1 cup of rice, use 1.5 cups of water. Water is nice and hot. Basmati rice, which has been soaked and extra water has been drained. So rice. I have one more special ingredient that I'm going to add to this, and that's paneer. Nice, soft, creamy. Remember, paneer is something that I've added last. Vegetables, I allowed them to cook for some time, and paneer does not need any extra cooking. So paneer, and let's make it a little bit more special by adding some saffron. Let's make it nice and fresh by adding some mint leaves. Oh, smelling so nice, so good. Gentle touch. Let's put the lid on. Perfect. And now time to press biryani. Okay, let the magic begin. This will do its own work, own job, whatever time it has to take. It is programmed, it will cook, and then what do you do in the meantime? Maybe make yourself a drink, maybe have a glass of lassi. Kolhapuri vegetable biryani. Desi hai, to sab sahi hai. For more simple recipes, go to desifreshfoods.com.